Tonight we are young, so let's set the world on fire with
The window's open so they can become famous.
all that you got. Can I record, please?
It's open for people can hear them sing.
This is my jam. This is our song. Tonight we are young, so let's set the world on fire. We go fire, and it's good without the fire.
Isn't it so wrong?
Tonight we are young.
What are you doing? Stop taking it away.
So let's set the world on fire. La 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 la. And
Viernes antes.
what?
No se ve sol.
Puppy bro.
Right there.
Her chin. Let me record you guys. She forgot her part. I don't know. Hey, look at him.
You're pushing him.
Oh my god, you need to stop opening that. What if it's close the window? Why is it open? Where people can hear you guys sing. You're only recording yourself, man. I'm supposed to be part of it too. Oh, here it comes. Tonight. Oh, we are young. So let's set the world on fire. Your part, Benny. Whoa, whoa. Mom, I'm recording a video. So let's set the world on fire. My mom just called me a dog because I was going whoa whoa. Okay, say bye. 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 Carry you home.
I thought you guys were gonna
tonight.